In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari "This connection is not private" on iPhone or iPad. This warning usually appears when Safari can't verify a website's security certificate. In simple terms, your device is not fully convinced that the site is secure and legitimate. That can happen because of a wrong date or time setting, network problems, stored Safari data, a VPN conflict, outdated iOS software, or sometimes an issue with the website itself. First, check your date and time settings. Open the Settings app, go to General, then tap Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. This matters because security certificates rely on accurate time information. If your iPhone or iPad has the wrong date or time, Safari may think a valid certificate is expired or not yet valid. Next, clear Safari history and website data. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm the action when prompted. Over time, cached files, cookies, and other website data can become corrupted and cause loading or certificate-related issues. Clearing this data gives Safari a fresh start. After that, try a different network connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data and then test the website again. If you're connected to public Wi-Fi, that network may be interfering with secure connections or redirecting traffic in a way that causes Safari to display this warning. Changing networks is a quick way to find out whether the issue is coming from the connection rather than your device. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily and try opening the site again. Some VPNs can interfere with certificate verification or route traffic in a way that triggers Safari security warnings. Turning the VPN off for a moment helps you check whether that's the cause. You should also restart your iPhone or iPad. Turn the device off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and test Safari again. A restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh network services in the background. Another important step is updating iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. Safari security improvements are included with iOS updates, so keeping your device current can resolve certificate errors and improve browser reliability. If this warning only appears on one specific website, the problem is probably with that site's SSL certificate. It may be expired, invalid, or misconfigured. In that situation, there's usually nothing you need to fix on your iPhone or iPad. The website owner has to correct it. As a final note, you generally should not proceed anyway. This warning is there to protect your personal data from insecure or impersonated websites. Only continue if you fully trust the site and understand the risk.